Is there a right way to bend PEX at a right angle? These plastic PEX bend supports from Viega can help you make sharp, 90-degree bends without elbows or kinks. 90-degree bends often require either elbow fittings or ProPEX connections and can easily lead to choke points that constrict flow through the system. Viega plastic PEX bend supports are designed to allow for sharp 90-degree bends without using an elbow or compromising on performance. Simply snap the PEX into the support and bend it into place. No ProPEX connections or elbows, and no kinks that might interrupt flow. These plastic PEX bend supports are available in 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch sizes to support a variety of systems, and include holes on the bottom so you can mount the support directly to the structure you're working with. Get more info about the Viega plastic PEX bend supports here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.